I am inside of Google Classroom, and there's an assignment posted called Doggie, Daycare, Assessing Digital Content. Let's take a look at the scale. The scale says I can assess the credibility and accuracy of digital content. What we have here is, if I click on the worksheet, once again, we have our learning goal. I can assess the credibility and accuracy of digital content. We've been looking at the CRAAP test to evaluate digital content and the credibility of digital content, and using the CRAAP test to do so. CRAAP meaning, is the website current? Who is the authority? Who made the website? Is the website accurate? And what is the purpose of the website? So what we're going to do is we're going to evaluate two websites, and based on your evaluation, you're going to choose which business you would feel more comfortable to take your pet while you go on vacation. You'll answer 2 questions per each criteria, and you'll rank each criteria from 1 to 10, 1 being unreliable, 10 being excellent, or 1 being not very credible, 10 being very, very credible. Once you're done with each section ranking, you'll add up the totals, and based on what the score you have given, you will decide if this is a credible website, meaning the business is credible, or it is not credible. And based on your assessment of each website, name the business you would be most comfortable with taking your pet to while you go on vacation, and explain why. So I'll scroll down to page 1 or page 2, and the name of the first website is Dog Island. Here's the website URL. You'll just click on that to go to that website. Here's the website right here. And what you're going to do is you will rank the currency of the website. So when was the website information published? Has the information been revised or updated? Is the information current or out of date for your topic? Are the links functional? So let's just imagine that I've looked at that website, and I'll say that the information on the website was published today, which would be February 28th, 2022. And are the links functional? Yes. So in each area, you're going to answer 2 of the questions. If you wish to answer more than 2, you may, but 2 is the minimum. So because of currency, it seems current, so I'm going to give this a score of 10. I'll scroll down. Relevance. Does the information relate to the topic? Well, my topic is looking for a place where I can take my animal. So let's say that I went to this website, and I'll say, yes, the information relates to my topic. Who is the intended audience? People looking for a place to take their dog. So I've answered 2 questions. So in the area of relevance, there were some things on there that I thought were not as relevant. So instead, I'm not going to give it a 10. I'll give it an 8. All right, so it says, who is the author or publisher? So this is in the area of authority. So I'll say, I could not find the author or publisher. Does the URL reveal anything about the author or source? What I wrote is, this is a .com website, so I should check the author's credentials or try to contact the creator. Since I couldn't find a place where I could really contact the author or find any information about the author, I'm going to score this very low. I'm going to score it a 1 for authority. The rest I'll just fill in. So page 2 is a continuation of page 1, where you check if the information is accurate and you check for the purpose. And what I'll do is, and once again, you have to answer 2 of these questions here and 2 of the questions in the area of purpose. And just for the purposes of speeding this up, I'll just give that a score of 5 and give this a score of 5 also. And now what I'll do is, in this yellow box here, it says add up the total score for page 1. So let's see, I scored it 10, 8, and 1. So I gave it a score of 19, and I'll go to page 2, where I gave accuracy a 5 and purpose a 5. So the total score for page 2 is 10. The total score for page 1 is 19. 19 plus 10, the score is 29. And based on this score of 29, this website would be unacceptable. So in the unacceptable area. And down here it says, in 3 or more sentences, explain why you think the website is credible or not based on the total score from the CRAAP test criterion. Please use specific examples. So I'm not going to type out 3 sentences, but what I'll do is something like, so what I wrote is, this website received a score of 29 based on my evaluation and analysis using the CRAAP test, which means that it is probably not credible. Things that I noticed to come to this conclusion are the following, and then I'll provide an example of things that I noticed. Now, I really didn't go to this website, so we don't know if 29 would be an accurate assessment. This is just an example. What you'll do then after this is you'll go to the next website and you'll do the exact same thing. You'll go to this website, you'll just click on it and go to the website, and we have a place that you can go there, and you'll do the same thing that you did for the first website. You'll answer at least 2 questions for currency, give it a score. 2 questions for relevance, give it a score. 2 questions for authority, give it a score. Add up the total for page 1. Then you'll go to accuracy, find 2 things about accuracy, give it a score. Purpose, 2 things about purpose, give it a score. Add up your totals for page 2, page 1, your total here, and explain why you think the website is credible or not. And on the last page, what you'll do is respond to this question. Based on your assessment of each website, name the business you would be most comfortable with taking your pet while you go on vacation, and explain why. Respond in 3 or more sentences with a minimum of 3 specific examples from one or both of the websites, and you'll respond in this space or this area down here. If you have any questions, send me an email or a comment in Google Classroom.